detailed showcase of the 100-kilogram washing machine. As a crucial piece of equipment in any laundry facility, selecting the right washing machine is pivotal for ensuring long-term stable operation, enhancing labor efficiency, and saving energy. When purchasing a washing machine, consider these key points. Machines are constantly in contact with strong acts, alkalis, and oxidants, and operate at a temperature reaching 75 to 80 degrees Celsius, making them prone to rust. To prevent corrosion, one method is to use 304 stainless steel for parts that conduct water. Another method is to use carbon steel treated with rigorous anti-corrosion process. Kingstar machines feature 304 stainless steel in all water-conducting parts, like the inner drum and outer barrel, eliminating worries about rust. The larger the door and opening angle, the easier it is to load and unload laundry. The Kingstar 100-kilogram washing machine has a door diameter of 86 cm, making loading and unloading garments effortless and labor-saving. Higher precision means smaller gaps between the two, reducing the chances of liner getting caught and damaged. Kingstar's gap between the inner drum and outer cylinder is only 4 to 6 mm, which minimizes the risk of liner damage. The dehydration rate of a washing machine is a crucial performance indicator. Many machines have a high extraction spin speed of around 500 RPM, resulting in high moisture content in the washed linens, which increases subsequent drying and ironing costs. Many manufacturers do not dare to set high spin speeds due to substandard quality of the inner drum and transmission parts, as high speeds can cause significant vibrations. The Kingstar 100-kilogram washing machine can reach a high extraction speed of 745 RPM with low noise and minimal vibration. After watching this video, do you now know how to choose a washing machine?